got back from Jamaica and I cannot stop thinking about oxtail, so let's make it. Take it easy on me. Start by dicing up some green bell pepper and orange too, because I like the color. Garlic, onion, green onion, and a scotch bonnet or habanero. I put a glove on because I have to take my contacts out later and don't want to die. Look how pretty that is. This is 3 pounds of oxtail I cleaned with vinegar and lime a few times until I felt like the water was no longer scummy. Then dried them well with paper towel. To that, I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, adobo, allspice, so this is just ground, browning sauce, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. Adding in all of my veggies and some fresh thyme. Give that a really good mix. Make sure each piece is well rubbed. We'll let this marinate in the fridge overnight. My oxtail's marinated overnight, ready to start cooking. To a big pot, I'm gonna caramelize some brown sugar. Then I'm gonna sear off the oxtail, leaving most of the veg and marinade behind. I'm just looking for the pieces to be nice and caramelized. Then remove them to a clean plate. And I'm searing this off in 2 batches because I want all the pieces to touch the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna add in the rest of the veg and marinade I left behind, along with some grated ginger because I meant to add that to the marinade. I'm gonna saute a few minutes and then add in some beef broth, making sure to scrape the bottoms of the pan. And once that boils, add back in my oxtail. Make sure everything is covered, then I'm gonna add a few bay leaves and then another scotch bonnet because I enjoy the spice. Turn this down to medium low and then I'm going to cover slightly. We want the meat to be fall off the bone, so this is gonna take hours. This is after an hour and a half. After 2 hours, we're looking good, but I want to add in more beef broth. After 3 hours, the oxtail is exactly where I want it to be, falling off the bone and fork tender. Adding in a can of strained butter beans, tiny bit of ketchup, and let that finish cooking together. Nice fat serving of rice and peas. And the star of the show. And this is the vessel for our oxtail gravy. There are no words. I just needed to see this falling off the bone. First bite, bestie. It's melting like butter. I don't even have to chew. It's so good. It doesn't even make any sense. I'm very unladylike. I love to eat with my hands. Ever since I came back from Jamaica, I was just craving oxtail. Had to make it. Labor of love, but so worth it.